జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రేవు రేవుల సాగిపో రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేరా ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేరా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేరా ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేరా రేవుల సాగిపో రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రేవుల సాగిపో రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా కాషాయ రంగురా త్యాగానికి గుర్తురా కాషాయ రంగురా త్యాగానికి గుర్తురా తెల్లని రంగురా సౌఖ్యానికి గుర్తురా తెల్లని రంగురా సౌఖ్యానికి గుర్తురా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేరా ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేరా రండి ఓ
జెండా ఎగురవేయ రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా పచ్చ రంగురా శౌర్యానికి గుర్తురా ఆకుపచ్చ రంగురా శౌర్యానికి గుర్తురా అశోక ధర్మ చక్రము ధర్మానికి గుర్తురా అశోక ధర్మ చక్రము ధర్మానికి గుర్తురా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేరా ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేయ రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేరా ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేయ రివ్వు రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా
National flag is flying high, orange, white, pink in the sky.
Ashoka Chakra, blue in the sky.
India's pride is always brown. Fly, 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 flying high. Saffron, white, and green in the sky. Blue wheel in the middle too. India, we love you. Tricolor, tricolor, flying high. Saffron, white, and green in the sky. Blue wheel in the center bright. My India shines with all its might. My flag is flying in the sky. Orange, white, and green so high. Ashoka Chakra, middle too. I love my flag and I love you.
Flag, 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 in flag. Move your head, nod your head. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे गोली खाएंगे हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे सीने पे खाएंगे दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे
I welcome to state some few words before you. As the Independence Day, we are celebrating eve of the Independence Day. So that the Independence Day, what is this Independence Day? We have get the freedom from the Britishers. Britishers ruled our country 300 years. Our patriots, great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and some of the local leaders are also there. Alluri Sitaramarazu, Vennukanti Hanuman, like people fought against the Britishers and achieved the independence to our country. We having freedom, right to speak. Everything is restrained by the British people on those days. But our leaders, Mahatma Gandhi is one of the biggest leader in those days. He fight non-violence, not the violence. He has not used any violence. Subhash Chandra Bose used violence, but the Mahatma Gandhi achieved the independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Lokmanya Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Like those people, we achieved independence, and we the country is the developing country. We have to develop in our own accord so that everybody struggle. You are the citizens in future, you are the citizens of India. You are the persons, you are going to be a doctors, engineers and lawyers and scientists. One should struggle, one should follow the words of the teachers. And there is one slogan, father, mother and teachers. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava and Acharya Devo Bhava. The Acharya is the greatest person in the society. He has to mold the people and inculcate the good habits to the children. They will struggle like anything. When you become a doctor or an engineer, that is the struggle of the father and mother and these teachers. You have to give utmost respect to the teachers, and you have to maintain the independence. In ever the persons who maintain the independence years together and develop our country.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी।
My India, I love my India. वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया।
सबसे पहले सबसे बढ़ के दिल में मेरे है ये मेरा वतन। आसमां भी हार जाए कर ले कोई जतन।
बोलो आजादी, बोलो आजादी, बोलो आजादी, बोलो आजादी, बोलो आजादी, बोलो आजादी, बोलो आजादी। देश का वीर जवानों का, बहनों का, मुसलमानों का, इस देश के यारों क्या कहना, ये देश का दुनिया का कहना। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। तेरी माटी और मन तेरा सूरज, प्राण तेरी वायु है माँ। मेरे दिल की जगह तेरी ममता की मूरत, रग रग रवा तू है माँ। ये देह तेरी माटी और मन तेरा सूरज, प्राण तेरी वायु है माँ। मेरे दिल की जगह तेरी ममता की मूरत, रग रग रवा तो है माँ। हो हम तेरा कर्ज क्या चुकाएंगे, पर हर फर्ज हम निभाएंगे माँ। तेरी रक्षा में प्राण जाए भी तो, तेरी सेवा में जन्म लेंगे फिर यहाँ। जब तक है तेरा एक बेटा भी जिंदा, रत्ती भर न होगी कम तेरी गरिमा। ओ भारत माँ, ओ भारत माँ, तेरे सजदे में हर खुशी खुशी है कुर्बान। ओ भारत माँ, ओ भारत माँ, बस तेरी गोद में ही जीना मरना। ओ भारत माँ, ओ भारत माँ। विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम। समर्थ हम, सशस्त्र हम, स्वच्छ भारतम। विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम। हो प्राचीनहम् आधुनिक प्रगल्भहम् योगसोऽहं विज्ञानभिहं रामायण रामायण महाभारतम् मेक इन भारतम् डिजिटल भारतम् विकसित भारतम् विकसित भारतम् हो 140 कोटि हम समृद्धि की चोटी हम आईटी में भी माइटी हम आसमां को छूता निफ्टी हम हर गरीब की रोटी हम बेटा समान बेटी हम किसान शक्ति हम देशभक्ति हम राम हम रहीम हम सबका साथ भारतम यंगेस्ट नेशन भारतम स्टार्टअप भारतम विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम हो विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम।
लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम बढ़ते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना
शान है तू, देश मेरे तेरी शान है तू। हे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक निभा जाएंगे। भूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम बेटे अपने सरों पे चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन मैं वतन।
Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. For an Indian strong and true, it will not depend on you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. For an Indian strong and true, it will not depend on you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it glowing in your heart. Keep it glowing in your heart. For it's just a simple thought to obey in your voice. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it glowing in your heart. Keep it glowing in your heart. For it's just a simple thought to obey the inner voice. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it blazing round the world. Keep it blazing round the world. No matter what you do, it will all come back to you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep it blazing round the world. Keep it blazing round the world. No matter what you do, it will all come back to you. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land. Keep the fire of freedom burning in your land.
ना झुका है ना झुकने देंगे, आजाद तिरंगा हमारा। खाते है कसम इस माटी की, इस पे जान लुटा देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। हम एक है, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। बहती है जहाँ यमुना गंगा, है हिमालय ताज जिसका, बहती है जहाँ यमुना गंगा। हम है शांति के रखवाले, दुनिया की नजर हम पे है। जिसकी आन बान है सेना, जिससे दुश्मन भी घबराता, पर दम है किसमें जो हमको कभी ललकारे। हम कहाँ है पीछे हटने वाले, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। हम एक हैं, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं।
Anshika, I am studying class 3. Today I am telling about before Independence Day skit. For centuries, our mother Indian dreamed for freedom. Her children fought with courage, determination, and an unbreakable spirit to free from her the chains of injustice. The journey to free was not easy. Countless brave men and women sacrificed their families and even for the freedom of our motherland, and now our young performers are going on to present a powerful portrait of free Mother Indian, brings to life the pain, struggles, courage, and unlimited victories of our freedom fighters. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Have you seen this? Our Indian Army has conducted a successful surgical strike.
Oh, really? That's great. Here is a letter.
Asma? Asma! Where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you will be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
What is it? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had appeared for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You had gone so far without informing us.
Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform and the valor.
Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you to face death every day?
If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl, you're not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will never send you. We are looking for a groom and you will get married as soon as possible. And you will get married as soon as possible.
Asma? Asma? Where are you? Asma? Oh my god, what is this?
Dear Mom and Dad, please forgive me for disappointing you. You left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a brave soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma.
Asma!
What is it? Why are you crying?
See this. Our Asma has left. She is gone. Our daughter is gone. Please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. Do you think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She will be back.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow onwards, intense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training. Body, sir. Louder. Body, sir. Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma Malik. I'm also a part of this camp.
Oh, really? But you are late.
I'm sorry, sir. I have come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expecting to join the army with this seriousness?
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind only to join the camp. My father didn't consent to let me come here. I have left my home. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Troop, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
Copy, sir.
So, delegate darlings, are you going for this tough training?
Leave it, yaar. They will run away in 3 days.
You are wrong. They will run away in 2 days.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Look at them. How will we survive here if they behave like this?
I'm really nervous. Shall we quit? I'm also doubtful they will not let us survive here. No, I won't quit. I'm fighting with it at my home also. Why shall we give up? Just because these men think that we are weak? We can't be the frontline warrior? If we quit, they will win. I will try till my last breath. I want to break this taboo. We are also with you.
Asma kept her promise. She didn't keep any stone unturned to complete her training. She tried and tried and tried. She failed, but only to stand up again. She didn't give up.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को चल रहा है तू, लोहे का चल रहा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
Hello?
Mom,
Asma, how are you, my child?
I'm perfectly fine, Mom. How are you and Dad?
We are also okay. I am always worried for you, and so is your dad.
I know, Mom. I am sorry for what I have done. But can I request you something? This 15th August, can you and Dad come here at our camp? Please, Mom, please come.
This Independence Day. Okay, I will try to convince your dad.
Okay, Mom, I will eagerly wait for you.
Bye, my child.
Bye, Mom. I love you both.
Come, this way. Stand here.
But where is our daughter? Can you see her?
No.
Excuse me, are you Azma's parents?
Yes, sir.
Major KP Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Azma's mentor.
Oh, hello, sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the troop. There she is, Wing Commander Azma Malik. You know what? We always think big for our sons, and the dreams of our daughters are often torn off. Like this. Our daughters also need encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams.
Yes, sir. You are right. I was wrong. And today I can say without any doubt, I am proud of her.
We are proud of her.
भूला जिसे तुझको बोला करता